Namaste, my beloved friends. There are many queries about hypnosis training, and there are hundreds of questions like what are the benefits of hypnosis and how you can help people with hypnosis. So, today I will just give you few examples which you can relate with hypnosis benefits. And if you really understand how hypnosis can help, for sure you will learn this beautiful and powerful techniques of hypnosis, and you will help a lot of people. So, if I tell you, one of the first benefit is mental balance, that you really can help to people for mental balancing. There are lots of people who are struggling with stress, anxiety, and depression. And if you learn hypnosis, and if you know how to hypnotize people, then of course you can get into their subconscious mind, and at that point you can try to help to remove this kind of feelings from particular person, from particular human. So it can be really helpful to remove depression, anxiety, stress, and so-called mental illness. So it really can help people. Second thing is, you can help people to um, to help them to quit some bad habits, you can say, like alcohol or drugs. Yes, if you can use hypnotism for this reason, it will be really beneficial for thousands of people, because then you can simply use these techniques to help people to come out of these drugs levels, and you can say so-called alcohol or so many bad drugs. There is another help you can get from hypnosis, which can be for students. There are millions of students who are in this depression because of this competitive world, and they are learning so many technological things, as well as there is a pressure from parents, from society, from schools, so they are living in this big depression. So if there are people who comes to you for this student depression thing, for sure you can help these young people to come out of this kind of depression. There are other benefits of hypnosis also, like self hypnosis. If you really do self hypnosis for you, for sure you can get into your own mind, and there will be like so many thoughts of negativity and bad emotions and so many things. Then you can simply get into your own brain in or your own system, and you can remove that grudges and bad emotions and all that kind of stuff from your own mind. So hypnosis can be really beneficial for you also. Then there is a very powerful thing which I am also teaching you in these trainings, that is related to mass healings, mass hypnotism. Whenever we are struggling, we are in depression, we are in this negativity state, then we always search for, some meditation, some masters, some gurus, and then we go to these gurus. And if you can sense this, that whenever we go to these gurus, then of course these bad emotions and bad feelings, they automatically goes away from us. Why this happens? This happens because a master, a guru, is at a state from where he can see your these emotions, feelings, and he use his these technologies of mass hypnotism, or you can say mass healing. So if you can use this technique for others, for mass healing, for sure you can help thousands and thousands of people to make their life happy. So these are like few benefits you can really get from hypnosis and hypnosis training. If you still have any doubt or any question about benefits of hypnosis, for sure you can come to me at any time on WhatsApp, and we will try to talk on this more if you have any kind of doubt. So till then, I send lots of love to your way. Enjoy your life. Keep on spreading smile. Lots of love your way. Namaste.